Hi guys, and welcome to my newest video. In this video we're gonna talk about how to install Visual Studio Code. So the first step is you're gonna go to Google Chrome or whichever browser you have. Just go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. Click enter, and after that it's gonna take you to the Google, and the first page that pops up, it's the only legit page that has it. So this is the page, Visual Studio Code. As you can see, it has version 1.85, which is the newest version, and the thing you have to click is download for Windows. If you don't have Windows, if you have Linux or anything else, you should click this arrow, and you have for Mac OS, Linux, Windows, everything. Click on that, save it, and it's gonna begin to download it. After a minute or so, after it downloads, you double click it, and after you double click it, the install will begin. I already downloaded it, so I don't have to download now. So the first thing you're gonna do is you accept the agreement and click next. Create a desktop icon, next, and install. As we wait for it to install, you will click finish as soon as it's over with it, and it's gonna launch automatically. So as you can see, it's finishing. Launch Visual Studio Code, and you just click finish. And that's it for today's video. You installed Visual Studio Code, and I hope it's working. Thank you.